How to update Waze app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your phone. In the App Store, tap on Search at the bottom right to proceed. Tap on the search bar and type in the name of the app you are looking for. For example, Waze. Tap on the search key on the keyboard to display the results. Locate the Waze app in the list and tap on it. As you can see, the Waze app is already up to date. If it was not, then there would be an update button instead of open. And then, you would have to tap on it to update the app. From here, you can update your Waze app whenever an update is available. Tap on Open to open the app. Following these steps, you can easily update Waze app on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.